I heard the fire. Yeah, I heard it too. Oh, hit! Huh? Yeah. Oh, you got the guy who got me? Oh, right on. Right in front of you, dude. Two, right in front of you. Two, right in front of you. Right about your 2 o'clock. Yeah.
Guy in the woods to the right side,
Uh-huh.
all black, he's got me. I'll keep trying to hit him.
I got him. I got the guy who just got. Hey, there's a guy in front of you moving right. Woo. Hurry up and respawn and get back up here. Oh, I see him. I see him. I think I can get him. I got him. I got him. I got the guy. This guy just respawned. Hey, dude, hurry up. Hit!
I hope you enjoyed part 2 of this sniper rifle game. I got hit towards the end of the game, and unfortunately it ended in a draw. No team could make headway on the other. But thanks for sticking with me to the end of this video. I got a couple more videos here and here that you can watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join me on my airsoft adventures. Shrek out.